Hello beauties, welcome again to When the Style. Is another beautiful day and I am back like I never left. I just want you guys to please check out this cute haircut that will bring that attention to your eyes by using the right jewels. This is a hairstyle that will really give you that bountiful curls you want, and is a style that will spice up your hair and make you look edgy and elegant. You can always achieve this look, by always having the two sides shaved lower and leaving a longer hair on top to really give you that beautiful tapered you want. Take a good look on those beautiful women. You can see how lovely they look with this hair, and sometimes you can even add more volume and movement by really making your hair look this way. This is looking so good, and it's a perfect haircut that will give you that defined curls you want. Always make sure your hair is completely dry before unraveling it and using those beautiful products. Like we have the MIELLE kit, we have the canes and coils made by Step the Papa, we have the dogs, we have some beautiful products you can use to really achieve this on your hair. So I can allow you guys to please check out the rest of the styles and let me know your mind on how you feel about this beautiful styles, because you can see they are really mind-blowing and a cool and low maintenance style for you to try. If it's the first time on this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button and hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. You can sometimes go for the beautiful colors, like we have the blonde, we have the gold, we have the platinum, then we have the explore. There are many different colors you can try if you really want to go bold and look funky. So without much ado, let me let you guys go to the styles we have. I appreciate everyone, my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. Welcome again to When the Styles. Still look for more beautiful short haircuts coming your way.
I'll put you in front of my